Yeah, well, we have the all-encompassing, immaculate, splendid Angelina Jolie, Tiger Queen. And what inspired Tiger Queen was the big fan of Thundercats. Oh, Lionel! Thundercats are on the loose. Thundercats. Oh, and I found so. What superhero characteristics can I engulf Angelina Jolie with? And I said, what would be quite intriguing is Tiger Queen. You know, maybe a leopard or a jaguar would fit her kinesiology, physiology, mechanics of motion. And let's find a tiger to fit her characteristics. It personifies her well, or anthropomorphizes her well. Intriguing, if you ask me.